A very warm welcome, everyone. I am Zainab Nasir, journalist at Fair Gaze Media. Fair Gaze is an engagement ecosystem in the school community. And today we are so delighted to have Mrs. Neenu Chandna, Principal of Baba Ramdas Vidyapeeth School. First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for taking your time out for us.
Thanks to you too.
So, ma'am, we wanted to know more about you, your school. So, if you could just shed some light on your journey to being the principal of the school and
Let me share something very important to you. I have been working in this school since 2014, and it is a remarkable journey since then. The supportive management, my team is very encouraging. We are situated in outskirts of the city. We have 50-50% ratio of students coming from village background and the city. And we work as a family, we work as a team, and we have supportive staff, even teaching, non-teaching. Everybody is prepared and dedicated to work for the school.
ma'am, you mentioned you have 50% of rural and urban. So, if we could know something about the challenges that you faced in the COVID-19 pandemic.
Well, initially it was very tough because it just broke out at the end of the session and we were about to begin the session. So we didn't have any plan to do online teaching. We could not get time to train our teachers. Since we are located in outskirts of city, it was very apprehensive from the side of students, teachers, and the parents that how online teaching can help us. Gradually, slowly, it's a self-learning process. People started participating. Teachers were too encouraged to teach the students, and we have come up with new platforms, new systems, new interactive modules. And you will be surprising to know that whenever we have some activities of the junior wing, even grandparents started taking part in that. Even they are thoroughly enjoying the concept of online teaching. Now it is instant feedback. You are delivering the lecture, students are taking it, and parents know that what their kid is doing. So it is immediately feedback. They need not to wait till PTM to check the performance. And now it is okay. It's a new normal now.
Apart from looking at the negative aspect, this is quite a positive aspect to look at, So,
Yes.
I have a follow-up question actually. From providing instructions and doing all the things that we could, during the COVID-19 pandemic, what do you think are the ways to improve the education for the future?
See, nothing is comparable to the classroom teaching.
Right.
That is the key to success. No digital media, no nothing can replace a teacher. But yes, since we are coming up with this new paradigm shift into the new pedagogical plan, so we could have different modules, like we can have small groups, we can mentor them, we can have one-to-one interaction, we can have an instant feedback of the student as well as the parents that what has gained.
Very rightly put, ma'am. Ma'am, what do you think is the most powerful indicator of a student's success?
Student success depends upon how good human being he is and how responsible citizen he becomes after getting the education. Yeah. See, just passing on the degrees to one level to another, it's not the thing. It is how you define your character, how responsible you are for being a citizen, a kid, and a student. And of course, there should be a learning trust for the student.
So we have come to an end of the interview, but we do want to know some words of encouragement, if something that you would like to tell the students across the globe, just
it was outbroke like instantly. Nobody was prepared for them, but it has left a beautiful message that we could cope up with any kind of situation. We have dealt with lockdown, we have dealt with online teaching, we have dealt with everything, like changing the attitude towards teaching. So it just left a beautiful message that we could survive in any damn kind of situation.
This is so well put, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am, for taking your time out. We are really so grateful and thank you so much.